Good morning, all of you. Good morning. Come on, join fast, so that we can start. As you know, that household circuit is going on, right? Household circuit. This chapter is going on, and this is the third live session of household circuit. We'll go for the third live session. We have discussed in two live classes that where the electricity produced, from there how do we get electricity. Okay, in different way we get electricity, and in middle the large industries also take electricity and small industries also take electricity. Then it comes to us as 220 volt, because we record only 220 volt. We discussed that, and also we discussed after entering our home, when we'll take the connection from the pole, then it connects, how we connect all the electric appliances at our home. Okay, we do not follow series connection, because in series connection the main problem is when you switch off one device, all the other device gets off. And we connect parallel connection, because when we switch off one device, other devices do not get disturbed. This is the thing. So come on, first join first, so that we can continue this chapter. I hope you got the physics syllabus. Yesterday I sent physics syllabus. I hope you have got. Okay, hope you all of you have got physics syllabus. I think 8 chapters are given. I think 8 chapters are given. And one more thing, yesterday I shared a video with you about half yearly exam. Did you check that? That video, how our school wants you to appear the half yearly exam. Do you watch that? Did you watch? Okay, our school our school wants all the students to appear the half yearly exam in that way, in that format. The yesterday I shown you a video. Okay, yesterday I shown you a video, that complete procedure of half yearly exam. I'm sure you might have seen that video. Watch that video. After watching that video, you use your username and your password, okay, to appear the demo test, to have the practice. Okay, now the thing is that from where you will get your username and password? Your registration number is your username. Okay, and with your registration number, just write 123. After your registration number, write 123. That is your password. Hope you understood. I repeat, what is your registration number? That is your username, and your password is that registration number, and then write 123. Okay, that is your password. So use that. When you enter everything, when you enter username and password, you will see that they will ask you for a new password. Okay, for a new password. That new password you have to set, and you have to keep it here. Don't forget it. Don't share it with others. Okay, you have to set a new password. When you are set with the new password, you are done. After that, go for the test, online exam, the way it is discussed in the video. And I suggest you must watch that video. Okay, because your school wants you to appear the half yearly exam in that way. Okay, and please let us know that what are the problems you are facing, because you have to upload lot of photos. You have to upload lot of photos, especially in maths and physics, maths, physics and chemistry, because space is there to write the thing, to type the thing, but it's difficult to type. Understood? It's difficult to type because lot of diagrams, the symbols, it's really difficult to type those diagrams and all. So that's why I suggest you to click the photo. When you saw the question, solve it in a piece of paper, click it and paste it over there. Okay, upload it. I shown the whole procedure in that video. You must watch that video and appear the demo test, so that you can have a practice on this. Okay, and let me know what is your problem. Okay, I'm sure that you have watched that video. If you have not watched, acha, how much time we will get to give a exam? How much time we will get? Actually, that depends on the exam. The demo test which I set here, the demo test, in that video you will see a demo test. In that demo test, it's of 30 marks paper. Okay, it's of 30 marks paper. So for 30 marks, you are getting 50 minute. I've given 50 minutes there. But when you are appearing for physics exam is of 80 marks, and you will get 1.5 hour. Okay, 1.5 hour or 2 hour or 2 hour. But for maths is a 2.5 hour paper. Okay, within that 2.5 hour, you have to see the question, then you have to write, click and upload, click and upload. For that, a stable network connection is required. Hi-fi strong network connection is not required, but a stable connection is required, stable internet connection. Acha, one more question. Sir, my password is wrong, so it is not working. Say your user registration number. Say your registration number is 2011038. Okay, this is your registration number. Then this is your username. Okay, now with this username, with this registration number, just write 123. That is your password. Now if it is not working, that means you have changed your password. If it is not working, that means you have changed your password. Okay, because after entering to the website, they will ask you first, set your new password. First set your new password. You have to set your new password, otherwise you can't go ahead. So this new password is required. Okay, otherwise so everybody can tell all others, like I can tell you all your password, because your username, your registration number, after that 123. Okay, after registration number 123, this is what, right? Okay, so that's why you have to change your password first. After that, you go ahead and appear the test and practice it, because on the day of exam, you won't be able to, on the day of exam you won't be able to, when you are facing problem, how will you ask teacher and all that? You must practice it from now. Okay, so you watch the video, the complete video you must watch and appear the test. Okay, and if you see the half yearly exam syllabus, yesterday I sent you. In half yearly exam syllabus, yeah, this is the last chapter, the last chapter which is left. The last chapter is going on. After that, we'll have a revision, because the chapters which we have done before in the beginning, that force, then meter scale, do you remember meter scale, torque? These are very, very important. So we need, yeah, we need a revision on that. So after finishing this chapter, we'll go for a revision. Now this chapter requires two more classes means one today, another class the next day. So means you can say by this week we can finish this chapter. After that, we'll have a revision. Okay, so this is the thing. Now so let us start this chapter. Let us continue this chapter. Household circuit, first two classes are gone, this third class, and then after that fourth class, fourth live session, then the chapter will get over. So in this one, first of all, I want to discuss that I want to discuss a switch first. Switch. Okay, switch is very normal thing, very easy thing, that we lot of switches are there at our home. Okay, to operate each and every devices, every appliances, we use switches. Now if you see a switch, if you see a switch carefully, you will see that either on, off, on, off. two options are there, either on, off, two options are there. Okay, switching on means whole circuit is connected. Switching off means circuit is broken. Okay, now one question which is important for you, okay, one question which is important for you is where we should connect our switches. Where we should connect our switches. Remember, we should connect our switches always with the live wire. Okay, always will connect with the live wire. Yes, Priyansh told me. Live wire will connect the wire. Sorry, switches. Acha, first of all, you tell me, all of you. I'll show you something. Just tell me, is it visible? Wait, just a minute. Like, just tell me, is this visible to you? Is it visible clearly? Okay, just answer me. Yes, 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 yes. I can see. Yes, sir, it's visible. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. It's visible. Thank you. So, as I was saying you, correct, correct. Thank you. Thank you. So, as I was saying you that switches we should connect always with the live wire. First, we'll see the construction of a switch. If you go inside of switch, okay, say you have taken a switch, okay, if you break it, if you break the switch, you will see inside the switch 3 points are there. I will draw those 3 points. See, this is the switch, this is the switch, and 3 points are there. First, second, third, 3 points. Okay, and there is a metal strip inside. A metal strip is there. Okay, metal strip. Either this metal strip will go up or it will come down. Understood? This metal strip, either the metal strip will go up or it will come down. When it is going up, means it's connecting. When it is going up, it is connecting the circuit, means on. When it is going down, it is breaking the circuit, means off. I'll discuss that. See, with a circuit, I have tried to understand this. With a switch, I have connected a bulb. Try to understand this first. See, with this switch, I have connected a bulb. See how? From the middle, from here, as I told you, in a switch, 3 points are there. Okay, in a switch, 3 points are there. 1, 2, 3. From this middle point, I am connecting the bulb. Okay, and from this point, from the top point, I am connecting the electric source. Try to understand this circuit, all of you. From this switch, 3 points are there. From this middle point, I am connecting the bulb, and other point of the bulb is coming to the source, means where the electricity supply is there. And from this top portion, directly I am connecting the electric supply. Now, as I told you, that metal strip is there. If the metal strip is here, or here, okay, either metal strip will go to connect this two or it will go to connect this two. Okay, I told you now, either up or down. Okay, so either metal strip will go up or it will come down. So when the metal strip is going down, means these two are connected. Okay, means these two are connected. See, the current is not passing. The current is going. Circuit is broken. so bulb will not glow. But instead of this, if I connect this, then circuit is completed and easily the bulb will glow. Did you understand this? I have connected these two. Okay, these two. That means circuit is broken. The bulb will not glow. But when you are connecting these two, the circuit will get completed. The bulb will glow. Understood? Hope you understood this. So this is off. Okay. Now another circuit I am drawing where I'll show that the switch is on. Okay. See here, two circuits I have drawn. In the first circuit, switch is off. Switch is off because the circuit is broken. And here switch is on. Switch is on, that means circuit is completed and the bulb is glowing. The bulb is glowing. All of you get ready with your physics copy and draw these two circuits. Important for your board exam. It comes in board. All of you draw this. Come on, fast. First switch is off, next switch is on. Finish it. All of you finish it. Fast, 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 fast. And tell me done when you are done with it. And tell me done when you are done with this. First circuit switch is off because the circuit is broken. In the second, switch is on because circuit is completed. Try to understand this. And tell me if you have got any doubt. Tell me if you have got any doubt, you have not understood any point, just let me know so that I can discuss it to you. Okay, done here. So fine. So a switch means, so as I told you, a switch means 3 points. Okay, a switch means 3 points. First, second, third. Okay, when you are connecting the first two, means you are switching it on. When you are connecting the last two, means switching is off. So the construction of all the switches are, the mechanism of all the switches are same. Only their designs are different. Okay, different company makes different switches, modular switches, different switches they makes. Okay, but the inner function, inner mechanism is same. Okay, this is called switch. Understood? Now always remember, we connect switch with the live wire. That also comes in the question in the exam. Okay, where we should connect our switches, we should connect our switches with the live wire. Then it comes why we should connect switches with the live wire. We'll discuss this now. We'll draw two circuit for this. Okay, we'll draw two circuit for this. And now we'll not draw the switch in so big way. We'll draw the small switch. Okay, we'll draw a small switch. Now, live wire, neutral wire. From live wire, the switch is going, and from the neutral wire, the switch is going. I draw two circuit. I will draw two circuits, live and neutral. And in the first circuit, I will show you that the switch is connected with the neutral, and in the second circuit I'll connect the switch with the live wire. Okay. First of all, you draw this. All of you draw this two circuit. First of all, you draw this two circuit. Acha, here by mistake I made a line between this. Don't make this line. By mistake I made this line in between. You don't make. Okay. Draw this two circuit. Okay, don't make this line in between. This is the switch actually. Okay, this is the switch. Understood? This is the switch. Now see, try to understand this. See, in this first case, I hope you have drawn this. I hope you have drawn this. In the first case, see, in the first diagram, live wire, neutral wire. I have connected the switch with the neutral wire. Okay. And switch is off. And here I have connected the switch with the live wire. And the switch is off. Got it? Here the switch is off. In both the cases, switch is off. Switch is off. Okay. Can you tell me? Can you tell me? Yes, second one is right. Yes, second one is right. Obviously, we know that second one is right because live wire is, this is Sahil Sharma, I think. Okay. He's saying that the second diagram is correct. Yeah, obviously, we know that second diagram is correct. Now, the question is why second diagram is correct? Why we should connect the switch with the live wire? That is what we have to know. Okay. That is the question actually. Now, both the cases switches are off. Okay, both the cases switches are off. Now you just answer me one thing. Through which wire current goes? Live wire or neutral wire? Through which wire current goes to? Live wire or neutral wire? Through which current goes to the appliances? Live wire. Yes, through live wire. Okay, live wire. So through live wire, current goes to the appliances. Fine. Now listen. See this diagram. See the first diagram. Neutral wire is off. Neutral wire is off. Still live wire is connecting with the bulb. Okay, live wire is connecting with the bulb. Means it is connected with the live wire. Okay, still the bulb is connected with the live wire. Understood? Because the current is going to the bulb. Yes, current is going to the bulb and here it is disconnected. That's why circuit is not completed. So it is not glowing. It's not glowing. But current is going. Current is going to the bulb because from live wire the current is going. So current is going to the appliances. Okay. That's why we'll not use it. Because switch is connected with the neutral wire, still the current is going to the bulb. Still the current is going to the bulb. Okay. Now here in this diagram, live wire is connected with the switch and it is off. So current will not be able to reach the bulb. Understood? Current is not able to reach the appliances because the switch is off. So this is the best process of connecting the switch with the live. Understood? Hope you understood this. So what I told you, when you are connecting the switch with the live wire, when you are connecting the switch with the live wire, means you are disconnecting the switch by switching it off, disconnecting the connection. But if you are connecting the switch with the neutral, then still live is there, so current is going to the appliances. It's not glowing, but still current is going to the bulb. So that's why we should connect our switch with the yes, live wire. Okay. Acha, all of you just write your name once, fatafat, in within 30 seconds. Within 30 seconds, just write your name once, fatafat. Ratul, Sahil, Supravatam, Maitri, Kesang, Jasraj, Alex, Nitik, Karan, Tabrata, Argha, Alkamil, Rahit, Navrata, Amisha. Okay, Neha. Fine. Okay, fine. Fine. I have not seen Sneha. I have not seen Pratham. Sneha Pratham, I have not seen. Pratham has come now. Pratham has come now. I have not seen Sneha. I have not seen Pratham. Not seen Sneha and not seen Pratham. Okay. Now, so you understood? Now, another question comes in the exam that that fuse wire. Fuse wire. Fuse wire we discussed. You also know fuse wire. What is fuse wire? Fuse wire is a very simple, very thin wire. Okay, very simple, very thin wire. And always we connect fuse wire with the live wire. Understood? Fuse wire with the live wire. Always we connect. Now you are asking me what is the reason? Reason is that what we discussed for the what we discussed for the switch. Okay. Now what is fuse wire? See, fuse wire is a very simple thin wire. When a large amount of current enters, say uh, for a room, okay, for a particular room, say in that room, TV, one bulb, one fan, and one AC. Okay, this much is connected. Or say AC is there, fan is not there. Say fan is not connected. So what I said, a room, one TV, one AC, and one bulb is there. So how much current is required? Say current required there is 6 ampere. Total current required is 6 ampere. Say 6 ampere. Now, suddenly, if a large amount of current, more than 6, like 8, 9, 10 ampere current enters, that means either that much current will disturb your AC or your bulb or your TV. Your TV, bulb or AC may got damaged. Okay, may got damaged. Now to get rid of it, with each and every room, we connect small fuses. Small fuse. Okay, small fuse. And that fuse we connect with the live wire. Always with the live wire. Okay. So if you see the main switch of your home, the main switch, you'll see that white colored things are there, the big white color. Sir, I am here only, sir. Network is too bad. Network is too bad. So if you see the fuse at your home, that white color things are there, the big white color things are there, where you will see small thin wire is there, very thin wire. You know what? The whole current of your home is passing through that small wire, small thin wire. So if a large amount of current enters, and we know that when current passes through a wire, that wire gets heated. The wire gets heated. And because of that heat, the wire may melt and the circuit breaks. In this way, you are saved. So this is the function of, yes, fuse wire. So fuse wire is nothing but a very simple thin wire through which the whole current of your home enters. When a large amount of current tries to enter, then the wire melts and circuit breaks and you are saved. So we should use a fuse wire. Now if you think that I should connect a thick wire, so that fuse should not cut, then what is the use of this fuse? What is the use of this connecting a fuse? Not required. So always we should connect a thin wire as fuse. So whenever large current enters, the fuse will melt and we are saved with it. Okay, this is the function of fuse wire. Now the next question is that where should we connect this fuse wire? We should connect the fuse wire with the live wire, always with the live wire. Why? The reason is that the switch. Okay, reason is the switch. Because in fuse wire, if fuse cut, if it is connected to the neutral, still you will get electric shock. But if it is fuse is connected with the live wire, the live will be disconnected, you are safe. Okay, this is the funda. Hope you have discussed this live wire, neutral wire, fuse, all this. Okay. Now, see, if you see your school building, okay, that day we have discussed, in the second, not in the second, the first live session. I discussed that two wires are going. From those two wires, you are connecting all the devices in parallel. All the devices in parallel. Two wires are going. You remember that circuit? Two wires are going. You have drawn the circuit also. Two wires. In the two wires, all the devices are connected. Okay. All the devices we connected with that. That we have discussed that day. Now, because we discussed that day, that circuit is applicable. That circuit with which I discussed, parallel circuit, that is applicable because your home is small. Your home is small. Small means how many rooms are there? Hardly 4, 5, 6 rooms are there. It's not in your home. I don't think that in your home like 25, 26 rooms are there. Not possible. It's not there. In your home, hardly 4 to 5, 6 rooms are there maximum. 6 to 7 rooms are there maximum. Okay, it's not that 30 rooms are there. But if you discuss about our school, okay, Sahil Sharma is no sir, very poor. It's okay, means like say you are rich, you are rich. Don't worry. Now maximum number of room, if you are a rich person, how many rooms will you have? Like 4 to 5, 6, 7 rooms maximum, 7 rooms. But if you discuss for your school, how many rooms are there in your school? Around 40 rooms are there, or 35, 30 rooms are there in your school. 30 rooms are there. So in that connection, in that case, in our school, if you see the connection, then that connection is not applicable there. Okay, that connection is not applicable there because the thing is parallel. In our school also, the connection is parallel connection. Okay, it's not series. I'm not talking about series. If it is in series, then if you switch off in your section, say you do not require fan, you switched off the fan in 10A. That means the whole school's bulb switches, all the fans will get off. It's not that. No, if you're switching off the bulb of your classroom, that means even you are switching off the bulb fans of principal's rooms also. No, it's not that. That means our school's connection is parallel connection. Okay, our school's connection is parallel connection. Fine, that's correct. But what I want to say you, when the number of rooms are much higher, like 30, 40, 50 rooms, then we observed a special type of circuit connection. Okay, special type of circuit connection. I will tell you that. In special type of circuit connection, it comes in your board exam. Okay, that comes in your board exam. I'll show that. But first of all, let me take out that green pen so that I can draw the earthing. I shown you earthing, no? I'll show you the green. Let me take it. Okay. uh I have not got green, I've got this blue. Okay, so consider that this is green wire. Okay, this color is green wire, just consider that. So what I'm doing, I will show you that so when the number of rooms are much higher, you understood my question? When the number of rooms are much higher, like 40, 50, 60 rooms are there, then we do not use that straight where from where the things are coming. We do not use that. Okay. So what type of connection we use? I will show you that. Try to understand. I'll show you a whole circuit. It's very important. Comes in the exam. See, this is the connection. Try to understand this. This is the connection. See, see, live neutral earth. Can you differentiate this earth? Earth I have drawn with blue. This earth where I have drawn with blue color. Is it clear to you? Can you see it clearly? Can you see it clearly? See, live neutral. This I'm supposed to draw this earthware in green color. Actually, I'm supposed to draw this earthware in the green pen. I'm not getting it now. So that's why I'm using blue color. Okay, blue color. Now, see this live, neutral, and earth. See what I made? I made some squares. I made some square. The square, the first square, the biggest square, I have connected with the neutral. Okay. The smallest square, I have connected with the live. And another square I made in between, that I connected with the earthware. Okay. Understood? Live, neutral, and this earthware. This circuit is very important. Okay, very important for your exam. You understood? So three squares you have to make, three squares, and all this. The first square I am connecting with live, and the neutral, another earth. No problem. And what I have drawn here, the middle one I have connected with earth, and the smallest one I have connected with live. That is not compulsory. That smallest one you have to connect with live. That is not compulsory. You can connect any with the live, any with the neutral. Not a problem at all. Now, say different rooms are there. Here is one of the room, another is one room, this is one room, this is one room, this is one room. Okay, different rooms are there. So I will connect those rooms also. Room 1, room 2, room 3, room 4. Okay, 4 rooms I'm drawing. Okay, 4 rooms. So I will see that I'm drawing 4 rooms. Okay, you can draw 5 rooms also, no problem. But at least 4 rooms you must show. You don't have to show this 5, 6 rooms, not required. Okay, I'll show you that. All these rooms. Again, I'm saying you, I'm supposed to draw this in green color, but I'm not drawing that. Okay, I'm showing you live, neutral, live, neutral, live, neutral, live, neutral. So I have shown here 4 rooms. Try to understand this circuit. All of you try to understand this circuit. Don't be confused. It's a easy circuit. It's a easy circuit. Okay. It's a easy circuit. See, I hope you understood the circuit. Circuit is not so tough. This 3 squares I have drawn, live, neutral, and earth. In this way, you connect live, neutral, and you know this is the symbol of earthing. Now here, room number 1, room number 2, room number 3, room number 4. You can show another room, 5. So 4 is enough. Showing 4 room is enough. And see the way I have taken the connections, live, neutral, earth, live, neutral, earth. I am giving to all the rooms. Okay. This circuit is known as ring system circuit. Ring, R-I-N-G. Ring system circuit. It's very, very important for your exam. It comes. Ring system circuit. So all of you start drawing it. All of you draw it. Ring system circuit. Draw it. Come on, fast. All of you, come on, fast. Draw it. And any problem regarding this connection, please let me know. If you have got any problem regarding this connection, please let me know. Please ask me so that I can clear your doubts. See, room number 1, room number 2, room number 3, room number 4. To all these rooms, the connection is going live, neutral, and droid. This is called ring system circuit. Ring system circuit, it comes, then you have to draw this. So when you are done with this drawing, please let me know. When you are done with this drawing. And one thing, in your board exam or in your exam, you won't be able to, use your green pen to draw this earthing. Not required. You use your blue pen only. Okay. You use your blue pen. It's not a problem. But you mentioned correctly, like live, neutral, the way I have mentioned, the same way you will mention. Live, neutral, live, neutral. This is important. Okay. Live, neutral, this is important. So because there you cannot use your green pen. Here, just to make you understand, I have used here. Okay, so this is the circuit. This circuit is called, yes, this circuit is called ring system electric circuit. It's very important. Done. Okay. Done. Fine. So here I have shown you only 4 rooms. Like this is applicable on for the higher number of rooms, like 20, 30 rooms are there, then you use it. Okay. Then we use this type of connection. Like in school, like in your school, like 40, 45 rooms are there. So electricity office or the electrician who made the whole connection, they use that ring system electric circuit. Okay. Ring system electric circuit. So that each and every room get the same voltage and same current, okay, to operate. Now another practical case I'll discuss. I'm sure that it's there in your home. I'm sure. That is, In staircase, when you are using staircase, you know staircase, Siri, when you are using staircase to go down or to go up, okay, to go down or to go up, say at my home, staircase is there. I'm drawing it, wait. See, try to understand all of you. This is the staircase and here is the switch at the top. At the top switch is there and here is the bulb. Okay, here is the bulb. See, this is the bulb, so that I can see the whole staircase at night. And this is the night. Okay, this is the night. So dark it is. So I have to switch it on. I have to switch it on, and then I'm going down. Now I'm going out, but the bulb is on. Now to make the bulb off, again I have to go up and switch it off. Then if I make it off here, then I will come down. So that's the problem. You understood? So when you were switching it on here and you are coming down and you are going out, means your bulb is glowing. Electricity is consuming. So to make it off, again you have to go up and switch it off. Okay, again you go up and switch it off. So what is the benefit of going again there? Okay, so now if we do not fit a switch here, say I'm not fitting a switch here, I am fitting the switch here at down. Now what is the benefit? When you are here, when you are coming down, it's dark. Say andhera, total andhera. So how will you come down? It's andhera. You have to come down to switch it on. So it's a problem. You understood my point? Say staircase, when you are switching, when you are fitting a switch at up, then you are switching it on and you are coming down. But to make it off, again you have to go. Problem. If you are making the switch down and you are going up, and to make it off, again you have to come down to make it off. So it's a problem. Understood the problem? So it's a practical problem. Who is this, sir? Can you explain wavelength? Wavelength is not there in this chapter. Who is this, by the way? Wavelength is not in this chapter. Wavelength we have discussed in other chapter. Already we have discussed in other chapters. Banshi Shah. Who is this? But here the wavelength is not there. That's why I'm not discussing now. But the wavelength is discussed before. Wavelength we have discussed in sound chapter also it's discussed. Okay. So what I told you, in the staircase, either at up or at down, both the switches are foolishness. Okay, if you are connecting a switch at up or you are connecting a switch at down, both are like foolishness you are doing. Okay, for that a new kind of switch is available in the market. New kind of switch. Okay, new kind of switch is that two switches, it comes in a pair of two switches. One you connect it up, another you connect it down, and I'm sure it is there in your home. It is already connected at your home, I'm sure. This is called dual control switch. Dual control switch. What is the function of dual control switch? It comes in pair. I told you, one switch you connect at up, another switch you connect at down. Okay, up, down. By using this switch, you can on off both. By using this switch, you can on off both. Okay, and they are not dependent to each other. If this is off, you can make it on off, no problem. If this is off, you can make it on off, no problem. They are independent. Understood? They are independent. Both the switch. These switches are called dual control switch. Dual control switch. Why dual control switch? Because by these switches you can control the same bulb. When you are at up, you can make the bulb on off both. When you are at down, you can make the bulb on off both. You can do. Understood? So this is the benefit of connecting dual control switch. Dual control switch connection I will show you next day, not today. Okay, not today. I'll show you dual control switch. So here in today's class we saw what is called a switch. Then we discussed we should connect switch with the live wire. Then we discussed fuse. We should connect fuse with the live wire. Then we discussed ring system. This ring system, you have drawn this ring system where large number of rooms are there. There we discuss. Okay, there we connect this type of this. After that I discussed that staircase connection. Staircase, very very important. Staircase connection, dual control switch. One switch there, another switch here. By using both the switches I can operate the same bulb. Okay, operate the same bulb. This one is the thing. Got it? So dual control switch, the whole connection of dual control switch I will show you in our next live session. Okay, dual control switch will be shown in our next live session. Now this question which we got, sir, can you explain wavelength? Banshi Shah, is he or she is there? Still you are there? If you are there, then I am ready to discuss it to you. Otherwise I will not discuss. Then what is the benefit? Banshi Shah, are you there? Still there? Then I can discuss this to you. No, you are not there. So no discussion. Okay. You asked the question. After that you are missing. So what is the benefit of discussion? Okay. So this is the thing. Correct? Now, all of you just write your name here in the comment section and then you can leave the class. Okay. That much for today. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. 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 Okay, fine. So, okay, that much for today. So see you in our next live session. Okay, next live session we'll discuss this, the whole connection of dual control switch. Okay, whole connection of dual control switch, and we'll also see the rest of the portion of the chapter. Numericals are also there in this chapter. Get ready. Okay, numericals are there, but not so tough numericals. It's easy numerical, very practical numerical. Okay, very practical numerical. We'll discuss those things. As I told you, one or two more classes. I think one class. Within one class we'll finish. And as you know, this is the last chapter of the syllabus. So after that, the syllabus will get over and we'll have the revision for half yearly. Okay. So bye, student. Bye.